Okay. Maybe not. All right. Dude, this pot roast is killer. It tastes just like my grandma's.
Thanks, man. Yeah, I found the recipe online and thought it sounded incredible.
Is it beef or lamb?
It's that beef that was in the bottom of the fridge.
Did you get that at Aldi's?
Yeah, it's like $6. Meat is so expensive these days.
Oh yeah, especially in our budgets.
I definitely am also going to have to cook up those pork chops we have too.
Maybe stuff them?
Yes.
With some mashed potatoes?
That sounds perfect, and lots of butter.
And some pasta too.
I mean, why not?
What's that strong flavor I taste?
Oh, I added some of that fresh garlic to the sauce.
Ooh, good idea.
I'm not gonna lie, but the inspiration for the roast did come from your grandma's recipe.
Yeah, that roast recipe she sent us last month was fantastic.
Yeah, maybe she could send us another roast recipe next month.
Yeah, she probably would.
Your grandma makes the best food, hands down, honestly. And I also have to send her a text to thank her for the loan of money she gave me to pay for the rent.
Yeah, I think she'll appreciate that.
Could you pass me the salt?
Yeah, here's the salt. Absolutely.
Absolutely. Absolutely, these vegetables needed salt.
Nice. Pass me the salt?
There you go, man. Shoot.
What's up?
I totally forgot to pick up dessert.
Oh, I forgot to tell you that I picked up a gallon of moose tracks. It's from Heisley's Market down the road last week. It's in the freezer.
That is nice and all, but you know I can't eat dairy. That's kind of unthoughtful of you.
Unthoughtful of me? You're the one who put walnuts in the banana bread last week, which made me end up in the ER.
That was a mistake. At least I can actually make food instead of having to buy it all the time.
Oh, grow up, dude. Nothing is ever good enough for you. In fact, I should have made you pay me back for the ice cream.
And I should make you pay me back for the pot roast, too.
As much as I like living with you, you really are a pain in the ass. Sometimes you can't even pay rent and ask my grandma for money. How hard is it to find a job, man?
I'm the pain in the ass, right. You are really something, Jesse. I've been looking for weeks, and you know that.
No, you've been lazy and just using the recession as an excuse. If you don't want to find a job by next week, I'm kicking you out, dude. My grandma isn't responsible for your rent.
Kicking me out? You can't even do that. I've always despised your lack of empathy. You know how hard it is to find a job right now.
Grow up, dude. That is it.